Cars, carnage, and chaos. Welcome to Desert Built. In today's video, we take one of our Corvette builds to the local Cars and Coffee. After that, we meet up with some buddies and we head to Little Anthony's, which is a cool retro style diner on the east side of town. Lots of cool cars in this one and even a giveaway. We're gonna be giving away one of our built supermotos, so stay tuned, follow along, and make sure you subscribe.
I heard like a lot of street bike influencers were getting popped because they weren't blurring out speeds and they were fucking doing highway pulls and shit.
Yeah. All these guys are showing their face and, you know, doing 130 on the freeway, and yeah, all it takes is that video to get in the wrong hands. Someone who has a little bit of power or authority.
Yeah, I mean, dude, they'll just find your IP address. Like, if they want to, they'll find you.
You ever see the Squeeze team, Squeeze bands, and all those guys? And I think they're in New York or New Jersey or somewhere up there, and they just drive fucking crazy, like crazy,
Right.
Oh, we know we don't have to get to this one crazy early.
So is this like the second weekend it's been here?
Yeah.
And maybe people are still getting used to it or something.
Quick interruption. We got this 2016 250L here. We really just want to give it away. We don't use it. It just sits here. We haven't rode this thing in a while. It's got some pretty cool mods on it. It is the factory street legal version, to where you don't have to worry about none of the speedometer stuff. Everything is all built in, fuel injected. This is a bulletproof bike and it really does look great. We built this one properly. It's got the Warp 9 wheels, the full FMF exhaust with the airbox mod. We did the K&N filter on that with the EJK fuel injection tuner, the TST front smoke signals, as well as the smoke ones in the rear. The rear is integrated in the brake light. We got new Michelin tires on there, new fork seals, pro taper bars, gold billet dress-up kit, frame protectors, hammerhead shifters, and brake. Tons of stuff on this bike. We got the thrill seekers, seat cover, bar bag. This bike is dressed up properly. Really nothing else left to do. This was a proper build. We don't know how we want to do the giveaway yet. If you guys could drop a comment below, that'd be great, because we really don't know what we want to do. I think it'd be cool if we give the kids less fortunate a chance to own a bike like this. I'm not sure if we really want to do the merch giveaway thing with t-shirts, keychains, etc. just because I don't really want to make it to where you have to buy something to win this. Drop a comment below though. We'd really like to hear guys' thoughts. All right, back to the cars. Let's see some cool stuff. Look at this fucking thing. Be a cool little car for the ladies. Call it the cooter scooter. Cooter scooter, baby.
So much room for activity.
Oh, rotary. But you can't even see the engine. Yeah.
supercharger row for turbos.
Easier to do with these cars.
I feel like a turbo would just be fun, though, in that top end hit.
The fucking cop wants to race, bro. Old Chevy. That thing is bitchin'. Grand Sport 3LT.
Serious? So it's like
Two Ford Coupe.
okay. Yeah.
Larry Moore.
Massive. Look at this thing. Golly.
Big hole in your mind. I won't go line.
One night, it was known as the day the music died. How old was Buddy Holly when he died?